Hey y'all, I'm on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, and I'm going to give you a cabin tour of cabin 14086A. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Okay y'all, so as you come in, on the back of the door, your muster station is going to be Station G on deck 7, and it also has your evacuation plan. On the right hand side you have what is your closet. You have plenty of hangers here, and as you can see, you've got storage for a couple of suitcases here, and then on the bottom you've got a couple of shelves, and of course we've got our backpacks on the top of that shelf. And over to the right here you've got some light switches right there, and then you've got if you want to call your cabin attendant, you have your switches there. And then on the left hand side, of course, you've got your thermostat, you've got a light switch, and then of course this right here is the restroom. It's actually a very nice restroom, not very spacious, but it does have a decent sized shower. And on the side there you've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This right here also has a rain shower. That ought to be fun. And then of course you've got a quite large sink for a cruise, and then a little bit of counter storage. And then on the back wall here you've got a couple of glasses and some space to put your toiletries, and you've also got a black bar of soap. So all in all, a nice bathroom. And then on the back side of the door you do have some hooks for your towels. And then as you come into the room, we've got our bed already put together. You can have it done where it is separated into the sofa if you wish. Over on this side you do have some light switches. You've got a power adapter, and you do have 2 USB ports for your electronics. They've already given us, I guess that's, I thought that was a towel, but that right there looks more like the, looks more like a blanket. Then of course you've got this table, and then you've got some light switches on the side right here, and then way on the other side here you've got another power outlet with 2 USB ports. Nice. In front of the bed you've got a large screen television. Looks to be a 36 to 40 inch television. This room has not been refurbished as they said they were going to do, so we're still waiting on that. But as you can see, you've got a desk area here with a trash can and then a stool seat. The desk is actually spacious. You do have the tablet to control things. You've got your light. The control is on the top here. telephone, And when you come in the room, they actually already have some water waiting for you. And then under here, they've got a refrigerator and a couple of shelves here for storage. Your remote control for your television is right there. The room already comes with an ice bucket. On the other side here, you've got a chair. So all in all, a spacious room. Very clean. Very nice. I enjoyed this. We'll see what the bed feels like later, but it seems nice. Then of course you also have the balcony. The balcony has 2 chairs and a small table. And of course it also has your hammock and an amazing view. So there you go, guys. This right here is cabin 14086A. It is a standard balcony cabin. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it shows you everything that you want to know about this cabin. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also follow me on Instagram at JourneyWithJosh2020.